وكذلك أنزلنا إليك الكتاب فالذين آتيناهم الكتاب يؤمنون به ومن هؤلاء من يؤمن به وما يجحد بآياتنا إلا الكافرون.
O Prophet, thus have we bestowed the book on you, so those on whom we had bestowed the book before believe in it. And of these Arabs too, a good many believe in it. It is none but the utter unbelievers who deny our signs.
وما كنت تتلو من قبله من كتاب ولا تخطه بيمينك إذا لارتاب المبطلون.
O Prophet, you did not recite any book before, nor did you write it down with your hand, for then the votaries of falsehood would have had a cause for doubt.
بل هو آيات بينات في صدور الذين أوتوا العلم وما يجحد بآياتنا إلا الظالمون.
But it is a set of clear signs in the hearts of those who've been endowed with knowledge. None except the utterly unjust will deny our signs.
وقالوا لولا أنزل عليه آيات من ربه قل إنما الآيات عند الله وإنما أنا نذير مبين.
They say, why were signs from his Lord not sent down upon him? Say, the signs are only with Allah. As for me, I'm no more than a plain warner.
أولم يكفهم أنا أنزلنا عليك الكتاب يتلى عليهم إن في ذلك لرحمة وذكرى لقوم يؤمنون.
Does it not suffice for them as a sign that we reveal to you the book that is recited to them? Surely there's mercy and good counsel in it for those who believe.
قل كفى بالله بيني وبينكم شهيدا يعلم ما في السماوات والأرض والذين آمنوا بالباطل وكفروا بالله أولئك هم الخاسرون.
Say, O Prophet, Allah suffices as a witness between me and you. He knows whatever is in the heavens and the earth. As for those who believe in falsehood and are engaged in infidelity with Allah, it is they who will be the losers.
ويستعجلونك بالعذاب ولولا أجل مسمى لجاءهم العذاب وليأتينهم بغتة وهم لا يشعرون.
They ask you to hasten in bringing chastisement upon them. Had there not been an appointed term for it, the chastisement would have already visited them. In fact, it will come down upon them all of a sudden at its appointed time, while they will not be aware of it.
يستعجلونك بالعذاب وإن جهنم لمحيطة بالكافرين.
They ask you to hasten the chastisement upon them, although hell encompasses the unbelievers.
يوم يغشاهم العذاب من فوقهم ومن تحت أرجلهم ويقول ذوقوا ما كنتم تعملون.
They will become aware of it the day when the chastisement will overwhelm them from above and from under their feet, and he will say to them, taste now the consequence of the deeds that you used to commit.
يا عبادي الذين آمنوا إن أرضي واسعة فإياي فاعبدون.
O my servants who believe, verily my earth is vast, so serve me alone.
كل نفس ذائقة الموت كل نفس ذائقة الموت ثم إلينا ترجعون.
Every being shall taste death, then it is to us that you shall be sent back.
والذين آمنوا وعملوا الصالحات لنبوئنهم من الجنة غرفا تجري من تحتها الأنهار خالدين فيها نعم أجر العاملين.
We shall house those who believed and acted righteously in the lofty mansions of paradise beneath which rivers flow. There they shall remain forever. How excellent a reward it is for those who acted in obedience to Allah.
الذين صبروا وعلى ربهم يتوكلون.
Who remain steadfast and put their trust in their Lord.
وكأين من دابة لا تحمل رزقها الله يرزقها وإياكم وهو السميع العليم.
How many an animal there is that does not carry about its sustenance. Allah provides sustenance to them and to you. He is all-hearing, all-knowing.
وَلَئِن سَأَلْتَهُم مَّنْ خَلَقَ السَّمَاوَاتِ وَالْأَرْضَ وَسَخَّرَ الشَّمْسَ وَالْقَمَرَ لَيَقُولُنَّ اللَّهُ فَأَنَّىٰ يُؤْفَكُونَ.
If you were to ask them, who created the heavens and the earth, and who has kept the sun and the moon in subjection, they will certainly say, Allah. How come then they are being deluded from the truth?
الله يبسط الرزق لمن يشاء من عباده ويقدر له إن الله بكل شيء عليم.
Allah enlarges the sustenance of any of His servants whom He will, and straightens the sustenance of whom He will. Surely Allah has knowledge of everything.
وَلَئِن سَأَلْتَهُم مَّن نَّزَّلَ مِنَ السَّمَاءِ مَاءً فَأَحْيَا بِهِ الْأَرْضَ مِن بَعْدِ مَوْتِهَا لَيَقُولُنَّ اللَّهُ قُلِ الْحَمْدُ لِلَّهِ بَلْ أَكْثَرُهُمْ لَا يَعْقِلُونَ.
If you were to ask them, who sent down water from the sky, and therewith revived the earth after its death, they will certainly say, Allah. Say, to Allah alone be praise and thanks, but most people do not understand.
وما هذه الحياة الدنيا
The present life is nothing but sport and amusement. The true life is in the abode of the hereafter, if only they knew.
فإذا ركبوا في الفلك دعوا الله مخلصين له الدين فلما نجاهم إلى البر إذا هم يشركون.
When they embark in the ships, they call upon Allah, consecrating their faith to Him. But when He rescues them and brings them to land, they suddenly begin to associate others with Allah in His divinity.
ليكفروا بما آتيناهم وليتمتعوا فسوف يعلمون.
That they may be ungrateful for the rescue that we granted them, and that they may revel in the pleasures of the present life. Soon they shall come to know.
أولم يروا أنا جعلنا حرما آمنا ويتخطف الناس من حولهم أفبالباطل يؤمنون وبنعمة الله يكفرون.
Do they not see that we have given them a sanctuary of safety, whereas people around them are being snatched away? So, do they believe in falsehood and ungratefully deny Allah's bounties?
ومن أظلم ممن افترى على الله كذبا أو كذب بالحق لما جاءه أليس في جهنم مثوى للكافرين.
Who can be more unjust than he who foists a lie on Allah or gives the lie to the truth after it has come to him? Is hell not the resort of the unbelievers?
والذين جاهدوا فينا لنهدينهم سبلنا وإن الله لمع المحسنين.
As for those who strive in our cause, we shall surely guide them to our ways. Indeed, Allah is with those who do good.